Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fatima Khushboo, the Cambridge lead at Peshawar Model Schools. We are dealing with 21st century students. They are innovative, they are brilliant, and they are exceptional. Keeping that in mind, we believe that we should start O-levels from grade 8. Through this, we make sure that students finish their studies alongside their metric counterparts, and they also get 3 complete years to prepare for their Cambridge exams. We believe in project-based learning because through that we make sure that students use their critical thinking skills and they apply their real-world knowledge. Other than that, we have a team of dedicated advisors who help the students to choose the subjects that are more relevant to the career path that they want to pursue. We have 3 steps for that. Through a combination of formative and summative assessments, we continuously monitor our students. The second is we believe in positive feedback. Our teachers provide regular feedback to the students through which they check their strengths and they help them overcome any areas, any weaknesses that they might have. And the third is open communication with the parents, because without parents' collaboration, students' progress is not possible. So these are these 3 steps. We have experienced faculty who undergo regular professional development training. They share past papers with the students. They give personalized tips and strategies to the students. And also, we conduct regular mock exams through which we simulate Cambridge-like experience for the students, and we help them overcome the fear of appearing in the Cambridge exams. Our teachers provide differentiated instructions because every child has different needs. So based on that, our teachers, they take regular assessments and they make sure that they identify the strengths and weaknesses of our students and then give them support based on that. So these Cambridge exams are not just given by the students. Our parents are involved in that. Our teachers are involved in that. And they make sure that their students, that their kids, they receive the proper skills, they get the proper knowledge. And for that, the parents as well as the teachers, they keep on learning themselves. Another example that I can give you is one-on-one mentoring. As I mentioned earlier, when our teachers, they identify areas, so they give personalized feedback to the students, they give them personalized classes, and through that we make sure that our students achieve the best grades that they can. We need our parents' support in making sure that our students receive proper acknowledgement, proper appreciation. This actually ensures that they are mentally and emotionally stable and are ready to conquer the world. PMS takes pride in leading when it comes to activities that provide exposure. You will see that our calendars are packed with activities and they are related to the curriculum, and likewise. Recently we had Project Week, we had Sports Olympiad, and we have many more in the pipeline. The school fosters a positive learning environment through collaborative learning, positive reinforcement, open communication, and of course, student leadership opportunities. We offer routine counseling sessions to our partners at Cultivating. Our teachers also are able to contribute to this through their extensive experiences, and recently we introduced ILP system through which our dedicated teachers provided personalized attention wherever it was required.